Welcome to the CodeBOT Link Validator Utility Walkthrough. This tool scans every hyperlink in your document to detect broken, redirected, or malformed URLs through a parallel validation process that runs independently from the editor, allowing you to continue your workflow seamlessly. Running alongside your main editing tasks, the Link Validator examines every internal, external, relative, or absolute hyperlink without requiring access to a private organizational network. Whether you have 10 or 100 links to check, it operates as a fully independent process, enabling you to continue working in the editor while validation completes. After links have been analyzed, the link status report pop-up provides a complete overview of all detected URLs, including their HTTP status, visual indicators, and validation results, giving you a clear picture of which links require attention. Each link in the report remains clickable for manual verification. Users can copy all broken links in a single action or export a structured CSV file containing each URL, their status and validation details, ready to share with clients or web teams for correction. With its clear status legend, export tools, and modular design, the Link Validator provides a concise, actionable summary to help maintain content accuracy and link integrity across projects. Multiple reports are supported, and each validation opens in its own dedicated window, allowing you to keep previous results accessible for comparison or ongoing QA. For example, when validating links across 3 separate documents, each report window remains independently active, enabling you to review, cross-reference, or rerun validations without interrupting your current session. The CodeBOT Link Validator provides precision, efficiency, and interoperability, and can be integrated into other systems with minimal modifications.